Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're not going to cover much woodworking because we are working on three packages, actually, 1, 2, 3. These are tourniquets, 500 tourniquets that we bought here, and we're going to send those over to Germany, and then from there they're going to get to a Catholic church in my hometown. They're going to get put on a truck and then go through Poland into the Ukraine. Tourniquets, I'm going to open this box here in a minute. You can check it out. This one I just wrapped up. So these are 3 shipments I'm going to work on, and that's going to be expensive. That's going to cost about 400 bucks with UPS to get it to Germany. So that's going to be, yeah, that's not cheap. Okay, here are 200 tourniquets. Looks like everything is there. Yep. Third up there.